Welcome to 𝗑𝗏𝗽𝗺. Today, I'm taking about timeless skin serum that promises to brighten dull complexions and improve uneven skin texture and tone. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This brightening serum is designed to provide protection against environmental stressors while giving your skin that much-needed glow. Customers rave about its quality and effectiveness, noting that it leaves their skin brighter and smoother without irritation. Application is simple. Just a few drops massaged into the skin can make a big difference. Many users agree it offers great value for money, especially considering the results. However, it's worth mentioning that some customers have observed a color change in the product from clear to orange. While this doesn't necessarily indicate a loss of effectiveness, it's something to keep an eye on. Overall, if you're looking for a serum that brightens and smooths your skin, this one could be a great addition to your skincare routine. Just be mindful of that potential color change. Thanks for watching.